Friday evening, everybody. After pretty much what was a very cloudy, very damp, and very cool work week, a bit of sunshine across southeast Texas today, helping boost temperatures generally in the upper 50s to the low 60s. You folks to the northwest, those low clouds hung on a little bit longer from College Station to Brenham over to LaGrange in the low 50s. But 57 was the high at Conroe today, 58 at Wharton, 61 the high temperature in Galveston, and just off to our southwest, you folks in Palacios by Matagorda Bay, topping out for the area warm spot at 65 degrees. In Houston this afternoon, 60 was our high temperature, and although it felt really good, we should be topping out near 64 for this time of year. Low this morning was 48, just a trace of rainfall for the day today. For the year, we're running about 0.6 of an inch below normal. Right now, we do have a few breaks in the clouds, but mostly clear skies are expected everywhere over the next hour or so. It's 50 degrees. Dew points are in the low 40s, so the atmosphere drying out somewhat. We're not expecting any fog later on tonight. Good night to set your barometers, 30 inches even and steady, and winds are west-northwest at 5 miles per hour. Elsewhere, temperatures are actually pretty moderate for this time of night. It's still 47 at Conroe, 46 at Cold Spring, 49 right now at Warden, and currently 50 degrees down in Palacios. Well, here's what's going on for the next couple of days. Number one, much welcome news. A dry and warmer, we'll call it milder weekend is in store. We're going to see a little bit more sunshine. In fact, a lot more sunshine during the day tomorrow. An increase in clouds Sunday, but still overall partly cloudy and a very pleasant day. We are expecting, though, a pretty strong cold front to enter the picture on Monday. May see some strong thunderstorms with that. We're not expecting very heavy rain, but once that front moves by, we're going to expect those precipitation chances to remain in the forecast for the next several days after that into much of this upcoming week. We're going to have some very cold air headed downward from the northern and central plains and some disturbances riding over that cold air. So that's why we're thinking there at least is the possibility to see a few snowflakes mixed in with some of the rain showers, especially as we head into Wednesday night and early on Thursday. Speaking of snow, more than a few flurries in the nation's capital. Just got a check of the airports up in Philadelphia to Baltimore as well as Washington, D.C. And those airports, although officially open, most airlines have already canceled their flights both inbound and outbound. So if you got travel to the northeastern corridor from the middle Atlantic states up through New York City where they're expecting about half a foot of snow, call ahead because you're likely going to see some substantial delays, and those delays may ripple across the entire country as those aircraft get tied up in the east. Around here, though, with that storm intensifying, we're actually getting some dry air, a benefit of that storm across much of the state of Texas, but not too far behind that. Next storm system already beginning to move on shore in California, and that's what will bring some of the changes to our forecast as we head toward the beginning of the new work week. But until then, weekend looks really nice thanks to high pressure over West Texas. It's a week high, and it'll be moving very quickly to the south and east, so we're expecting mostly clear skies tonight, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies as we head into the day on Sunday. But that next storm system will be approaching by Sunday afternoon. We'll see an increase in clouds. Still no rain is expected until Sunday night at the earliest. We may see an isolated shower. Most of the rain activity holding off until that front moves by on Monday. Then behind that frontal system, the push of cold air will be coming in by Monday night and Tuesday, and that'll usher in much lower temperatures for next week. And that's where we're going to have to watch this next storm system. That may be riding over that colder air, and that's why we might see the possibility of some wintry weather around here by the middle and latter part of this upcoming work week. But for tonight, look for mostly clear skies everywhere in the next couple of hours. Overnight lows generally in the low 40s, mid-40s at the beaches. For tomorrow, expect mostly sunny skies. High temperature in Galveston, 58, 60 at Wharton and Bay City. For tomorrow in Houston, mostly sunny and pleasant, 60 degrees the high, 58 at Katy. And off to the northeast, look for high temperatures under mostly sunny skies in the mid-50s to near 60 degrees. Winds and waves much lower on the waters for tomorrow. Surf is at 61. Next 7 days, Sunday, nice day as well. Get out and barbecue for the Super Bowl, 59 degrees after starting the 30s. Showers and thunderstorms possible Monday. Much colder weather next week, highs in the low 40s. Perhaps a few snowflakes mixed in Wednesday night, early Thursday morning when that air is the coldest. And we're not going to see a repeat, I think, of the December storm. The air is not quite that cold, but definitely it's going to be a return to reality. Well, I guess it's not Houston reality
right.
This time of year, but winter's not over yet. Another push of cold air maybe by the end of the month. So it looks like March until we start a big warm-up around. Well, good Thursday evening, everybody. We still have the threat of at least a little bit of snow accumulation across parts of the area. The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for Grimes, Walker, San Jacinto, Polk, and Trinity counties, and that's in effect until sunrise tomorrow. You folks in those counties might see a quick inch of snow, mainly on grassy surfaces. Now, do be aware that any elevated surfaces like overpasses as well as bridges may ice up a little bit later on tonight as temperatures drop close to freezing, but for the most part, we're going to see very little accumulation on the roads up north. And in the Houston area, roads by morning should all be dry because rainfall now beginning to come to an end across southeast Texas, at least for our part of southeast Texas. You can see a little bit of dry air getting into the Houston area, back through Fort Bend County, just a couple of showers off to the south and west. But let's take a closer look at what's going on up north. Trinity County, the western part of that county, seeing rain changing over into snow. And also we have had reports of some rain and snow in parts of Polk County as well as San Jacinto County. Further off to the west, it's been snowing for about an hour or so up at College Station, down to just north of the Brenham area, and rain changing over to snow in northern parts of Grimes County. And again, the area just south of Houston beginning to see a little bit of a drying trend as some dry air comes in from the southwest at upper levels, but light rain continuing in Katy back toward Needville. All the precipitation, as I should say, is coming to an end across most parts of southeast Texas. Even the showers along the coast will be moving offshore as we head through the next couple of hours. Everybody should be winding down, at least rain and snow wise, by about 3 or 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Cold day across southeast Texas today. Upper 30s to low 40s inland, upper 40s to low 50s in and around the coastal counties. And in Houston this afternoon, we only managed to make it up to 43, and that was early in the day. 38 is the low temperature and current temperature. Rainfall for Houston today just about an inch, so for the year running just about a ½ inch above normal. Right now we have light rain in the city and at the airport. Again, some drier air to the south and southwest of the city. It's 38 degrees. The barometer's rising. Winds are north at 14. That gives us a wind chill of 30 degrees. And as you head off to work or school tomorrow morning, keep in mind that those wind chills will be down in the 20s in most locations. 35 right now at Huntsville, 34 at College Station, 39 at Sugar Land in Missouri City, and currently holding at 43 degrees down in Galveston. Area of low pressure in the Gulf of Mexico now beginning to move off to the east, and as it does, it'll take the precipitation with it. Now, the clouds are going to linger throughout much of the day tomorrow, but as we head into the weekend, at least we'll start the weekend dry and much milder than we've seen for the past couple of days, but don't get too used to it. Next cold front is coming our way as we head into Sunday, so look for more clouds and a couple of showers, and that next front will keep temperatures well below average as we head through much of this upcoming work week. Well, big storm system over Texas, dropping up to 8 inches of snow in the Dallas area. In fact, it set a record at 7.9 inches for the heaviest single-day snowfall in Dallas weather record history, I should say. And the rain and snow moving all the way into the deep south. Looks like, though, we're going to see our conditions improve as we head through later on tonight. But again, we're going to keep the clouds around as we head through much of the day tomorrow. I think some folks out in the western counties might see a bit of clearing by late afternoon, and that clearing will be working eastward slowly throughout the day. But for Saturday, we are expecting a pretty nice day, so make Saturday the day to get out to do your outdoor activities because we'll be a little bit milder and have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. And that next Canadian cold front will be just off to our north late Saturday, and by Sunday afternoon it'll be blowing through the area with clouds, a couple of showers, and cooler temperatures. So by afternoon Sunday, we're expecting it to be blustery and turning colder. And then also we're headed for a rather cool start to the new work week. For tonight, cloudy skies, areas of rain and snow ending up to the north after about 3 o'clock in the morning, and areas of rain ending in the Houston area by about midnight. Look for low 34 in Conroe, 35 in Houston, and 38 down on the island. For tomorrow, look for mostly cloudy skies, 48 in Galveston, 47 in Wharton and Houston tomorrow. Mainly cloudy for much of the day, 48, 47 at Brenham, and just a 20% chance of a few areas of flurries or light rain showers or drizzle early in the morning in the northeast, with high temperatures topping out in the mid-40s. We do have a small craft advisory out for much of the day tomorrow. Next 7 days, well, again, if you want to celebrate Valentine's Day, do it on Saturday because that's going to be the best day for an outdoor picnic or something. Sunday, though, clouds increase, 30% chance of rain, and then we're going to stay below normal for much of this upcoming week. But no more snow in the forecast, and that's something I think we could do without. Although it'll be fun to see, but we're ready for a warm-up here.
I'm ready for a warm-up, too.
A lot of people are.
Thank you so much, Chief. All right.